Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about downsizing. No, not your paycheck, although that seems to be happening too, but your living space. Because apparently, living in a house the size of a shoebox is the new dream. And I get it. Why have a big house when you can have a tiny one that forces you to Marie Kondo your life down to 3 t-shirts, a spoon, and a dog named Kevin? Plus, cleaning takes 5 minutes flat. Unless you drop something, then it takes another 20 minutes to figure out where it landed. Before we go further, if you love hearing about quirky, innovative, and sometimes hilariously impractical transportation and living solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Seriously, we need you, otherwise it's just me yelling about tiny homes into the void like a madman. All right, let's dive in. So, meet Redukt Echo, a European tiny house from Poland that makes efficiency an art form. At 6 meters and 6 centimeters, 21 feet and 6 inches long, 2 meters and 55 centimeters, 8 feet and 3 inches wide, and under 4 meters, 13 feet tall, this compact beauty sits on a trailer, meaning it's ready to move at a moment's notice. Perfect for people who have commitment issues with addresses. Now, what's inside this wooden shoebox of efficiency? The layout is surprisingly well thought out. Unlike those tiny homes that look great in pictures but in reality require you to do yoga just to get into bed, the Redukt Echo actually maximizes space without making you feel like you're living inside an overpacked suitcase. It has a ground-level bedroom and a loft, meaning it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. The living area is cozy, blending seamlessly into the kitchen. Instead of the standard open living concept that makes you feel like you're in a glass box, this one has a slightly enclosed lounge with built-in storage, a large L-shaped bench that transforms into a sofa, and even a wood-burning stove for those romantic nights when you want to gaze at the fire and pretend you're not freezing because you forgot to insulate the windows properly. The kitchen isn't just a sad excuse for a microwave and a sink either. It comes with a full-size oven, a stove, and actual storage. That's right, storage! Not the kind where you have to move 5 things just to get to the salt. And if you're thinking, but where do I put all my stuff? Don't worry. Every inch of this place is designed for storage. There are overhead cabinets, recessed shelves, and even hidden compartments under the seating. It's basically like a magician's hat. Endless surprises. Minus the rabbit. Now let's talk about the bathroom. You'd think in a house this small, the bathroom would be an afterthought, but no. It comes with an eco-friendly toilet, a shower, and a compact vanity. No more brushing your teeth while standing in the living room. And if you're feeling fancy, you can even opt for a gas or electric water heater to keep those showers warm. Heading upstairs via a cleverly designed staircase that hides a wardrobe, you'll find the loft bedroom. It's big enough for a full-size mattress and even has a small desk, because working from a tiny house is the next level of minimalism. There are also 2 windows for ventilation, which is important when you're crammed into a small space with other humans. Trust me, you'll appreciate the fresh air, especially after taco night. The Redukt Echo is built with sustainability in mind. It features mineral wool insulation, a vapor-permeable membrane to keep moisture out, and underfloor infrared heating for warmth. Plus, if you want to go full off-grid mode, there's an optional solar panel system, a propane setup, and water tanks with pumps. So if you're ready to embrace tiny living and make every square inch of your home count, the Redukt Echo might just be for you. And if you're not convinced yet, well, there's always that link in the description where you can check it out for yourself.